Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given that x minus 1 over 3 is equal to k. And we're told that k is equal to 3, and we're asked to find the value of x from this. So we plug in 3 where we see k, we get x minus 1 over 3 is equal to 3. So we have this fraction here, and we want to get rid of it. The way you get rid of the denominator is by multiplying both sides by the denominator. Because if you do it here, you have 3 divided by 3, which is 1, so these cancel out. So you basically have 1 times x minus 1, which is just x minus 1. And on this side, you have 3 times 3 is 9. Adding 1 to both sides, these cancel, and you get x is equal to 9 plus 1, x is equal to 10. This lines up with D. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.